Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. So more from the Cardano Summit. We're going to talk mostly about Coti. Now Coti is a payment gateway, and we just figured out at the Cardano Summit that they are going to make one of Cardano's first stablecoins. Now they're not going to be Cardano's only stablecoin. There's going to be more than one stablecoin on Cardano. As far as I know, Ergo is actually making another one. But this is why Coti actually might be a hidden gem for what's left of the bull run. Because all in all, I do believe that Cardano ecosystem coins, and for that matter, Polkadot ecosystem coins, are going to get you higher ROI than Cardano and Polkadot. Obviously, they are riskier than Cardano and Polkadot themselves because Cardano and Polkadot are very well established. You know exactly who the team is, and you know them fairly in depth. A lot of these like ecosystem coins, like ADAX, for example, that Timo Tripler guy honestly looks like a LinkedIn profile that they made like 2 to 3 weeks ago. So I'm not nearly as sure about that. However, the reason Coti is a gem is because it could have really high ROI potential while limiting the risk of it being a rug pull. Because Coti is not some fly-by-night operation. It's been around for a while, for a couple of years. You know who the team is. And they've been partnered with Cardano for some amount of time. They've been working on the payment gateway for some amount of time. I believe I actually did that original story about a year and a half ago. So they're not a complete newcomer to the system, yet they have a low market cap. They're working with Cardano and they could have a lot of adoption in the future. So the thing is, if you actually look at Coti, a major payment gateway built on Cardano, are they going to be as big as Cardano themselves? No, they're not going to be as big as Cardano themselves. But if you actually look at Coti's rank, it's 124, and the market cap is only $460 million. Now, I do believe being a major payment gateway on Cardano could vault you. You could possibly get into the top 50, definitely, and possibly even the top 20. Because, several Ethereum DeFi projects have actually been in the top 20 before, like Uniswap, Avalanche, etc. So you could possibly get into the top 20 by being that. Obviously, Cardano's ecosystem isn't nearly as big as Ethereum's right now, but who's to say it won't be in the future? So just to get into the top 50, you would have to be at $2.6 billion market cap from 400,000. That's like a 5.6, 5.7x just to get into the top 50. And if things go well and you want to get into the top 20, you need a $8.3 billion market cap, and that's like a 20x. And that's the top 20 right now. When the top 20 at the top of this bull run will actually be a lot higher. It'll probably be 2 or 3 times as high. So you're looking at maybe a 40x from where you are right now. And this is like this bull run. Not like, many bull runs in the future. Like some people are saying, well, Cardano could flip Ethereum and maybe even Bitcoin in the future. Okay, I won't rule that out of the question, but it's not going to do it in the next couple of months, which is like the last leg of this bull run. And yes, I do believe the entire market will dip afterwards. I'm talking about Coti 20, 30, 40x in the last leg of this bull run because, it actually has made some waves at the Cardano Summit. And the thing is, I think there might be some FOMO in, especially if this stablecoin launches during the last leg of this bull run and people start adopting the payment gateway. So there is massive potential for a project like Coti and massive potential like in more of the immediate future where there's like, Cardano, you're looking at maybe a maximum of like 3 to 5x for the rest of this bull run. For Coti, you might be looking at 20 to 40x this bull run because it's so much smaller right now. Even though ultimately in market cap, it obviously won't equal Cardano. It could be a major Cardano product, and it could actually challenge some of these big Ethereum projects in terms of market cap. Yes, I know like ADAX and Sunday Swap could possibly perform better ROI, but we don't really know that much about those projects. Essentially for like ADAX, I don't exactly know who the team is, and I'm like much more unsure about it than the team for Coti. I know what Coti is. I know what project they're actually doing. And I feel a lot more confident they're not going to be a rug pull and that they are a legitimate project. So there you have like high upside with limited downside, and you don't find those very often. So in terms of like Cardano ecosystem projects, Coti might be that hidden gem that can actually make you a lot of money in the rest of the bull run to come. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think, like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.